Welcome students. Welcome in BA part first. In BA part first, in last video we were discussing about Spectator Club by Richard Steele. Today we discussed the part as the starting of this essay, Spectator Club. Before we are going to discuss Spectator Club, it is must to know about the conception and the ideas related to this essay. The Spectator Club. Very first, we introduce what the title speaks. The Spectator, we know that it is the name of a newspaper. The Spectator is a newspaper. एक बार अपन क्लब को लगते हैं. We just understand about the title of this essay. That is The Spectator. The Spectator is a newspaper that was first published in 1st March 1711. First published in 1st March 1711. Another important matter. The Spectator, Joseph Addison and Richard Steele. Joseph Addison एंड रिचर्ड स्टील, उनका दोनों का एक कंबाइंड कलेक्शन था, एक न्यूज़पेपर था. वी कैन कॉल इट एज ए पेरियोडिकल न्यूज़पेपर. पेरियोडिकल दैट इज यूजिंग फॉर ए न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन दैट कम्स आफ्टर ए फिक्स पर्टिकुलर टाइम. वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज पेरियोडिकल न्यूज़पेपर. द स्पेक्टेटर इज ए पेरियोडिकल न्यूज़पेपर एंड इन दिस पेपर Richard Steele selects some type of the members and the company. Now we discussed in the essay. There were six gentlemen. They were in the company of the Spectator Club. So what the Spectator Club, complete title of essay deals that it is the union, it is the group of members, it is a company that was organized by Steele to the publication of The Spectator. उस The Spectator को how to publish, which type of method can be used, which are the measures, subject matters and the study materials, everything dealing with the members of Spectator Club. तो Richard Steele ने इसके लिए he selects his 6 important members. One thing is important here. All these 6 members are belonging to different caste, different cadre and different profession. If someone is belonging to business class, second is belonging to military, third one is belonging to religious path, so we can say that all these 6 were dealing with a different type of profession, so that the newspaper may be more proficient, so that the newspaper can be developed from every part of society. We know that in this essay, what the essay speaks, there is a complete introduction of 6 members. From 1st to 6th, there are 6 members, and all these 6 members are presented by Steele in unique features. There are various types of the merits and demerits. Whatever there may be, everything presented related to every personality. So there were 6 personalities. All these 6 members are the members of Spectator Club, and Richard Steele presents every character one by one. Very deeply and smoothly we understand the chapter. So you are requested. The book in BA part first, we know every time we discussed about, that is prose and fiction. It is the book of paper second. Paper second in BA part first. तो ये जो essay है, it is the second essay of our syllabus, and before this essay we already discussed 3 essays. So you just open the book and there is page number 8 in my syllabus. In my book, page number 8, The Spectator Club. Today we are discussing about the first paragraph and the first member. The first member of The Spectator Club is the first member is the person that is first member. Now we are discussing upon ज़्यादा चलेंगे. Page number 6. The essay starts at page number 6. The essay starts at page number 6. The first member, Sir Roger. So we just start our book, observe the book, and then we discussed about the first member. What is presented about first member? You just observe the book. The first of our society is a gentleman. The first of our society is now using for the club. It is using for the spectator club. We understand the definition of the spectator club. The spectator club is the collection of 6 members. It is the collection of 6 members. They were sitting in the office where the newspaper The Spectator published. So the first member, a society word that is using for the club. So the first of our society is a gentleman of Worcestershire, an ancient descent baronet, and his name Sir Roger de Coverley. Belonging to ancient descent, you try to understand. Sir Roger was a very reputed person, a very famous person, a baronet था, नवाब था, अच्छे घराने का व्यक्ति था, हाई क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है. The first member of Spectator Club belongs to a high-class family. His name is Sir Roger, very reputed family, very well-known family. Worcestershire is the name of location where he belongs. His great-grandfather was inventor of that famous country dance, which is called after him. His great-grandfather. You just observe about the generation of the family and what was the reputation and the status of that family. That was given that a famous country dance we know that the dance that becomes very popular in a particular locality, the dance which becomes very popular in particular locality, that dance was organized with one person, that is also invention by one person. So now there is his great grandfather, उसके जो great grandfather थे उनके द्वारा which is called after him, means the title of that dance, that country dance, is also called after the death of his great grandfather, that it was the dance of his. Means you can understand that it was so popular that it titled upon him. All who know that child is very well acquainted with the parts and merits of Sir Roger. और वो सारे के सारे लोग शहर से बिलोंग करते थे, उस इलाके से, एरिया से, लोकेलिटी से बिलोंग करते थे. वेरी वेल एक्विटेंट, बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्विटेंट थे, फेमिलियर थे, परिचित थे पार्ट्स एंड मेरिट्स ऑफ सर रोजर. वो सर रोजर की हर पार्ट और मेरिट से फेमिलियर. पार्ट्स एंड मेरिट्स इज यूज्ड फॉर कंप्लीट बिहेवियर, कंप्लीट पर्सनैलिटी, टॉप टू बॉटम, एवरीथिंग अबाउट द पर्सनैलिटी, अबाउट द कंडक्ट, अबाउट द बिहेवियर ऑफ सर रोजर. तो यू नो दैट सर रोजर वाज ए वेल नेम. He was very famous in society, he was very famous in locality, and everyone knows him. हर व्यक्ति उसको जानता था. But his singularities proceed. He is a gentleman that is very similar in his behavior. Everything was okay. He was a nice gentleman. But he was very singular in his behavior. Behavior जो था, उसका व्यवहार था थोड़ा सा singular, सन की मिजाज का. Everything was okay there. His personality is very attractive there. But one thing that mentioned by Steele here is an important thing, that everything okay, but behavior was something strange, something singular, थोड़ा सा विचित्र, अजीब सा, सन की मिजाज का. But his singularities proceed from his good sense. Important. But ये जो सनक की singularities थी, it was not from the Sanak of every field. It is the singularities that was conducted by the good sense, by the good mind. And इसके आगे लिखा है, however this humor comes in, yes, there is some type of the features that was presented by Steele, that although he was a very singular, but his singularities working at the time means he was something jovial. Means there was not any meaning, means he always feels happy, and the capacity to make happy others also. This was an important matter. His singularities, उसका जो सनक था, that was something related to more, that was something related to fun, and he is very able to convert his singularities to make it fun, and it is the reason there is not any need. Everyone feels good with his company. क्यों? क्योंकि it is his nature, it is his behavior. Every time he feels good. So this was the merit that was given by Stein. And now इसमें लिखा है when he is in town he lives in Soho Square. It is the name of location. It is the name of location इलाका. It is said to keep himself a bachelor by reason. There is also an important aspect related to his life. He remained bachelor, unmarried, complete life. By reason, there is a one particular reason. एक कारण है. He was crossed in love by a previous beautiful widow. The next coming to him. Yes, he was crossed. He fell. Try to understand. Fell in love with a very beautiful lady, widow. She was widow. So this was the decision of Sir Roger. If I fell in the relationship to make marriage with this type of the lady, finally I remained unmarried. So this was a very singular. We are discussing about singularities. This was singularities that if he decided in mind that I must marry with that particular lady, and if he crossed in love, he decided never to marry again. So we are discussing that he was a very singular person, and belonging to high class he remained so singular, and he remained bachelor. He remained bachelor. Sir Roger was what you call a fine gentleman. अब आपको बता रहा है before this disappointment. Disappointment is used for the episode in which he failed to marry with that beautiful widow. Writer also described the life before that episode and after that episode. Before that episode, there was different Richards, Sir Roger. After that episode, there was different Sir Roger. So this was the difference between Sir Roger and the time when he was in the connection of that lady. There was different type of habits. After that, there was different type of the conduct. We just read it in the next part of next. Thank you.